Hello, welcome to another full-length instructional video for Faceless Chef UK. Today's recipe is one for the UK fans. As it is Shrove Tuesday today, it makes sense to show you the best pancake recipe. Two ways throughout the week, one sweet, one savoury. Both are sure to impress. We'll start with a simple pancake served with a traditional lemon and caster sugar, followed by a beautifully creamy, cheesy, herby seafood stuffed pancakes, plus maybe a couple of other fun recipes. Both equally enjoyable, and both sure to fill hungry mouths with ease. Enjoy the recipes and ensure you carefully watch to the end of the video to see all ingredients and hear all instructions. For the best pancake recipe, we mix in a bowl 100 grams of plain flour, 2 whole eggs, a pinch of salt, and 300 ml of milk. We whisk the ingredients together until a smooth liquid is formed. We then strain this mixture into another bowl to ensure no lumps of flour remain. The next step is extremely important. We need to leave this to rest for at least 30 minutes. I went for my usual 2 hours, but this allows the gluten in the flour to relax and the starch grains to swell. This ensures the pancakes come out lovely, light and fluffy. A couple of tips for cooking, something I learned from years of failed attempts. Keep the hob on a medium heat. Use a kitchen towel to wipe oil around the surface of a pan and place some of the batter into the pan, giving it a good twirl or shake, whatever works, to coat the base of the pan. The key is to have just enough to make a layer so as to not have a pancake that is too thick or stodgy. Rather than waiting, turning, checking, pinching, if you're using a non-stick pan, the pancake is ready for flipping if you're brave enough, or turning when it moves in the pan without being forced. You'll also start to see patches where the pancake is no longer attached to the base of the pan and it will glide along with ease. We then flip and cook for around 30 more seconds before placing on a plate, making it look as presentable as possible. I mean, how attractive can you make a sprinkling of sugar and lemons? And we serve. And there you have it, the best pancake recipe ever. Simple, quick and delicious. I served mine with lemon and sugar, as you will see later this week. You can also fill it with savoury ingredients such as fish or other delightfully sweet ingredients like cherries. We are trying a Black Forest take on this later this week. Tune in to see that video. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to run along over there and subscribe. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, grab a friend, get them to subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button to see more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode.